Hi, my name's Josh. I'm a third year business management student at Swansea, and I'm a co-founder and head of acquisition at TJB Digital Services.
Hi, I'm Tom, a Swansea University third year student. I'm also co-founder and head of development here at TJB Digital Services.
Hi, my name's Ben. I'm a third year business management student at Swansea University and also a co-founder and head of marketing at TJB Digital Services.
TJB started when myself, Josh and Ben decided to group together to form a business for our course. During brainstorming, we came across a gap in the market of quality websites in the local area, which led to the creation of TJB Digital Services.
So a typical day in the life for me as head of marketing would involve the preparation of social media posts. So these will come on Monday and Friday. I do this using Canva, which is a pretty useful tool to us. And as well as this, I manage all of our promotional tools, so your Google Ads and your boosting of posts on social media.
So a typical day in the life for me, being head of development at TJB, is meeting with our clients to get their specifications for their website. I then transfer this into a wireframe using Figma and hand this to our development team, which I manage in the build process of the project.
So a normal day in the life for me involves messaging small businesses with inadequate websites through social media, communicating with clients and helping with dev work. I also update all of our pipeline data and stay on top of client requests.
So a great way the enterprise team have been able to help us is keeping us up to date with new opportunities such as funding, memberships for the region, and so much more.
With the support of the enterprise team, this has allowed for various networking opportunities which we've taken advantage of throughout the year.
So the team connected us with people who have really brought our business forward. They know a vast range of entrepreneurs, and it's great to be able to speak to people who have succeeded.
We were also able to promote our business across the enterprise team's social media platforms. So this included our job listings and our TJB takeover, which we did recently. So it's massively benefited us and our business.
When we pitched to the uni for funding, the enterprise team looked over our pitches and gave us tips on how to improve. This helped us secure funding and deliver a more compelling pitch.